During the service life of a vehicle, changes may occur in the engine's performance, such as the engine becoming sluggish at idle, or there may be hesitation during accelerating. This noticeable loss of engine performance may be attributable to a buildup of carbon and other contaminants in the fuel system. Regularly scheduled service of the vehicle's fuel system with ServicePro's SP9103 fuel injection and air intake cleaner kit is essential to ensuring optimum fuel economy and engine performance. Proper fuel system maintenance involves cleaning the intake valves, fuel injectors, and the combustion chambers. Neglecting the fuel system will result in a reduction of engine power, poor fuel economy, and a greater level of harmful emissions. ServicePro offers a 3-step fuel injection and air intake cleaner kit, SP9103. When properly installed, this service provides total fuel system cleanup, safely removes carbon buildup from the intake valves, cleans fuel injectors and combustion chambers, lowers exhaust emissions, increases power, and helps restore fuel economy. Before beginning the service, start the engine and allow it to reach full operating temperature. Then, shut the engine off. Step 1 of this service is completed by adding ServicePro SP9112 fuel injector cleaner to the vehicle's gas tank. Some vehicles, such as Ford's, may require a funnel for this step. Step 2 involves inducting the ServicePro SP9312 intake valve deposit cleaner into the fuel system. You will need a special tool such as the SP300FI to complete this service. This tool consists of a stainless steel fluid canister, a control valve, a vacuum gauge, a delivery hose, and an application fitting. Fill the canister with intake valve deposit cleaner. Locate a main vacuum line and carefully secure the application fitting into this line. Make sure the valve on the tool is in the closed position and the tool hose is clear of any moving engine parts prior to starting the engine. Start the vehicle's engine. With the engine at idle, carefully open the control valve until fluid begins to slowly flow through the delivery hose and into the vacuum line. There is a sight glass located on the 300FI. This is where you can monitor the fluid flow rate. The engine should remain at idle as the chemical is installed. This process will take several minutes. If the engine stalls, reduce the chemical flow into the vacuum line and allow the engine to recover. Continue the installation process until the canister is empty. The engine may shake during the cleaning process. If necessary, adjust the throttle to a higher idle speed from 1200 to 1500 RPMs, but do not exceed 1500 RPMs. After the intake valve deposit cleaner has been installed, return the engine to idle and run for several minutes. Reconnect removed vacuum lines. Step 3 of this installation is to install ServicePro SP2412 Fuel Injector Air Intake Cleaner. This aerosol cleaner has a special all-angle spray valve that allows it to be held in any position to ensure spray accuracy. For a throttle body intake system, remove air cleaner and spray liberally on the inside surface of the throttle body and air passages. For a multi-port intake system, disconnect or access the fuel injection air system boot at the manifold. Spray into the air intake, making sure the product reaches the air control butterfly valve. ServicePro Fuel Injector Air Intake Cleaner SP2412 is safe for use with all modern throttle control systems. Some throttle-by-wire systems incorporated plastic butterfly valves or throttle plates, which could be harmed by exposure to solvents. Care should be taken when servicing vehicles. Some computer-connected throttle position monitors can be disrupted if the throttle plate is manually manipulated while the ignition is in the on position. This has nothing to do with chemical application and may require a reset after the service is performed. When cleaning the throttle plate on drive-by-wire vehicles, carefully open butterfly with the ignition key in the off position and apply the cleaner to a rag and manually wipe the throttle plate and bore clean. Finally, do a test drive of the vehicle to ensure it runs properly after service. In summary, the ServicePro SP9103 3-step fuel injection and air intake cleaner kit provides total fuel system cleanup, including fuel injectors, intake runners, ports and valves, helps restore fuel economy, removes carbon and other deposits, lowers exhaust emissions, increases power, improves airflow, eliminates hesitation.